Hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Marysol, and today we have this amazing fall collection from Rongrong. You know she goes all out for the fall collection, and this is it. First, let me say thank you, Rongrong, for sending me all these goodies. And we're gonna set a few things to the side and start with the happy haunts. I think the Happy Haunts is like super cute. Love the color palette of this collection. And I think I'm going to start with the pet tape and then we'll then continue to the sticker book. So this is a Happy Haunts pet tape. And Ronron's pet tapes, we all know that now she gives you more design, less loops, right? But more design in the loops that you get. So you still get the 5 millimeters of loop, 1.6 each loop, and it's just packed with design. So this is it. I love the orange with the purples and the lilacs, the blacks. It's just so cute. I wonder if this will be the practical magic. I'm not sure. Then we have the wicked little notes, and these are little memo pads that, I mean, you could probably use for anything. I was thinking maybe you could use these for like the what is it? Little goodie baggies for Halloween, for the classroom. I thought this would be so cute. You could also use them in your planner, right? Because I mean, there's no telling, right, all the possibilities, but I thought that would be like a good idea to use these for. Now we have the sticker book, and that is a welcome thank you card. Ronron always includes a variety of decor with boxes, and she always adds a little touch of pieces for junk journaling or circles, bullet points, so you get decorative, functional, and a little bit for everybody. So if you junk journal, if you plan, if you just want something to look pretty, well, this is it. She also adds the clusters, so you don't have to cluster yourself. You can always use what she's already prepared for the clustering. And now we're going into the matte sticker paper, and these are all in clear. I mean, these pages are just packed with everything, with quotes, a lot of decorative elements, uh, washi, or I say washi, but I guess strips. You also get alphas with numbers, and then you get the washi that is actually washi paper. It's super thin, doesn't add too much bulk to your pages, and you get 2 pages of those. Then we go into the actual sticker paper that you can use for junk journaling. She added another page of washi tape, and the previous ones basically boxes for you to layer either in your junk journal or in your planner. But I love the washi tape idea here, because, like I said, it's actually washi tape and it's super thin and nice. So this is the Happy Hans, and I love it. Now we have the washi tape. So I have the Autumn Cafe, Magic Library, Autumn Notes or Memoirs, and Boo Shelf. And then we have the Foxberry Tales. And I mean, there's more washi tape. This was just sent to me. And I think they're just beautiful. I'm starting with the Magic Library, and I love that she's adding much more bigger elements to her washi this time around. Also, the design is still wrong. It has a little, it's a little different from what I'm used to seeing from Rongrong, but nonetheless, I love it. I think it's beautiful. The girls are always super stunning. Um, but I wanted to point that out because it is different. Again, you get the 1.6 millimeters, three loops for the whole 5 millimeters in each row. This is the Boo shelf, and I love it. I love the little ghost um, in the with the books and just the really cute design this pet tape has. So I think this is a really fun for all the bookish girlies or boys that want to also decorate with, some Halloween. Now this is the autumn memoirs and basically just notes, autumn notes. Again, sticky notes, just like the ones from Halloween. I think these are very versatile and you can use it with a lot of different ways. And I'm really excited for this product to use it. I think it's a really cool idea. Now we have the Autumn Cafe, and this pet tape is beautiful. I really love it. I love the color palette. It's like I want to say like early autumn and a lot of like turquoise with the red or burgundies and yellow, and I love that combination. I think it's a really cute combination for autumn. And right now, I'm just going to take the time to say that, I am an affiliate. So remember to use my affiliate link. It'll be in the description below. And use uh, discount code Marisol to save. The more you save, the more you buy, the more you save, basically. So this is the Foxberry Tails pet tape, but this is actually washi tape. And it's very thin, very low profile, and it's super cute with all the animals and just the doodly design of it. I think it's really cute. Again, the girls are big and super pretty. Um, I love fall and I love this collection. Now we have the soft girl era, and I have most of the things. There is a notebook that I didn't get, but it is beautiful and stunning, and I might purchase that. Plus, there's also some paper, scrapbook paper that came for the Happy Haunted that I might pick up as well. But this is the soft girl era autumn scrapbook paper, and the designs are just beautiful. You can use this in your junk journal, maybe to put as a background for a page. But I think all the papers are beautiful. Again, very low profile. It's very thin paper, easily to tear, but also doesn't add too much bulk into your pages, to your planner. If you're using a bound system like I am, that sometimes worry me, but not with this paper because it's pretty thin and low profile. Here we have the a soft girl era and pet tape washi tape box. This washi tape and pet tape, beautiful. Um, Look at those colors and those textures. I I really love the color palette of this collection. I love that the green is not like a very vibrant, it's very muted, um, like a tealish green. So I think that's cute. This is a pet tape ribbon with lace, bows with lace, super cute. And then here is the actual pet tape of this collection. And you start with a kind of a very different color palette, kind of vibrant, but still like very muted, and then you go into like autumn, more the orange with the browns. So I like that this collection has two different themes. So if you want something bright, still muted, but bright, you can use the first collection. But if you want something more traditional, then you have the second collection. And now let's check out the sticker book. I kind of cleaned a little bit in between, but here's the sticker book. Look at how beautiful this is. The back gives you a preview of what you're going to find here. Like always, you get a thank you card from Rongrong, and we start usually with the functional, decorative stuff, but mostly functional. Full boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes. You have some washi tape, some bullet points, but then you also get some decorative elements. You always get the clustered boxes, so you don't have to cluster yourself. And then you go into the more decorative elements with the clear stickers. You also get 2 pages of washi, and this washi is super cute. And you get your junk journal pages. Now, this collection has 2 alphas and alphabets, and these alphabets are beautiful. I was so hoping to get like that old typewriter alpha, and she included it, and it's super cute. It is in clear paper. Now we go into the second theme, and this is the more traditional colors for autumn. Again, you get all the functional stuff with decorative stuff, the clusters, the boxes in clusters, so you don't have to cluster yourself. And then we go into the premium matte sticker paper with all the decorative elements and the quotes, and then you get the actual oh my god, I just lost the word, script scrapple alpha, which is pretty cute. You have your 2 pages of washi, then you get your junk journaling sticker pages, and that is it for this sticker book. No, actually no, you actually get a page of confetti. I call it confetti. I don't know why, but it's super cute. Matches all the different alphas. So yeah. Now I'm thinking I want to use the soft girl era, but I also want to use the pet tape and do something with that. So when I decided that I would do something, I thought I'd bring my journal out, and then I changed my mind. So I brought my planner. My planner there's a lot of love given to this planner. I mean, look at that cover. Um, I mean, it's gone through everything and anything you can think of. I'm going to set my journal to the side. I am going to do something with my journal, but it'll be like in a short video in a reels. For now, I'm just going to decorate the pages in my planner. Now, I looked for the first day of autumn. It actually happens to be the same week of Uriah's birthday. Both of my babies are equinox babies, one in the spring and one in the fall. So I decided to leave that week for something that I'll do for him. And I'm going to decorate the previous week or the week prior to that. And I am going to use the soft girl era. I'm starting with this washi tape where it says Dear Autumn. It's so pretty, and I thought it would be perfect to put here on the bottom. And in my planner, I been liking decorating that bottom portion and also keeping it at a minimal. So yeah, this will be a really quick plan with me. So I'm gonna do a few clusters around the pages, and I did bring out the washi tape box set because I thought to add a little bit of more interest to this washi tape, adding a bit of layers and textures to it with some other washi from the box set. And I love how it turned out. It's really cute. I also want to make it a little bit like, I don't know, like I don't know, some a little bit of like I don't know, I guess junk journaling in my planner. Um, but I don't know if this is really junk journaling, really, but you know what I mean. So I wanted to add some of those layers onto that. And then I'm going to move on to the sticker book and see what we have. I'm going to use these quarter boxes for my sidebar. I usually just leave it plain, but these colors are really cute and fun, and so I decided why not add it a little bit to the sidebar and give it, you know, pull some of that color to the top as well. I sometimes, right, mean, I think if you're a decorative planner, you either use a lot of stickers or you don't. This one kind of is the opposite. I decided to go very minimal and simple, but it still, to me, turned out super beautiful. I added this quote. She was made for cozy seasons, and I feel like that is me. I love a good cozy season. I'm right now in Puerto Rico, and it is hot and humid, and I feel like I'm burning all the time. Um, so yeah, I am looking forward to the fall for sure. So now I'm gonna add this girl here on Sundays. Sunday usually is a day that I don't really look at my planner that much or have many plans, so I don't mind taking up a whole lot. The one that I put like in the spanking middle between Monday and Tuesday is a little bit because usually Mondays and Tuesdays, like weekdays, I'm a lot more uh, productive, I guess, or active, or just things that I have to do versus um, Sundays or the weekends. Now, I always like to decorate the corners of my pages. So here I'm just trying to find something that will, look good. And I decided to do my own little cluster. So I'm just going to add a girl and some embellishments around it to give it a little bit of interest. And if I didn't mention it, because I feel like I didn't mention it, this is releasing today. It will release at 9 Pacific Standard Time, I think, yes, or daylight saving time, and then which is 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 11 a.m. Central Time, and I can't remember Mountain Time. I will have all the times below. Just know if you're in the East Coast or in the West Coast, in the East Coast, it's going to be available at 9, and no, in the East Coast, it'll be available at noon, and in the West Coast, it'll be available at 9. Whew, that was hard. But check down in the description below. I will have all the details for you. And yeah, here, like I said, I'm just adding some more embellishments to that. And I am going to add something to the other corner, just something very simple, some leaves. I thought that would be it. And this is pretty much my spread. I really love a simple and neat spread. I think it's beautiful. If you've made it this far, oh my gosh, thank you so much for watching. Remember, I'm an affiliate from Rongrong, and you can use my link and discount code Marysol. Everything will be in the description below. This is Rongrong's like massive collection. Fall is usually really big in Rongrong, and she goes all out. So make sure to check out the collection and let me know down below what is your favorite part of all of this, and yeah, and what do you think of picking up? Like I said, I'm gonna pick up the Happy Haunted scrapbook paper and the Sock Girl notebook because that's what I want. Now, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.